Quantum computing is a revolutionary approach to computation that harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculations. Unlike classical computers that use bits for information storage, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits. Qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. This enables quantum computers to process vast amounts of information in parallel. Additionally, quantum computers leverage entanglement, a phenomenon where qubits become interconnected and the state of one qubit instantaneously influences the state of another, regardless of distance. This allows for faster and more efficient information processing. Quantum computing has the potential to solve problems that are practically unsolvable for classical computers, such as simulating complex quantum systems, optimizing large datasets, and breaking certain cryptographic codes. While practical, large-scale quantum computers are still in the early stages of development. They hold immense promise for transforming industries and solving problems that are currently computationally intractable. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.